on this occasion of the Poshan Maah, which is the Prime Minister's overarching theme for holistic nutrition. It is mainly targeted towards the new mothers who are expecting a pregnancy or are pregnant or are lactating, and as well as our children who will form the future of India. Poshan is an important concept which comprises holistic nutrition, wherein there is a lot of aspect of physical as well as brain growth. So the opportunity to Department of Psychiatry has been provided by the NCW. We are very thankful to them. And this time we have given a separate angle to this whole program, which is also including mental health. Mental health is an important concept. And after COVID, I think everybody is aware of how important mental health can be in the overall well-being of a person. And no health is without mental health. And how nutrition is so important in the optimum mental health of a person and vice versa. So here we start the program with a lamp lighting ceremony, and we pray Goddess Annapurna, who is the Devi of food and nutrition. So please join all of us. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Sir, I think you have to turn this lamp.
क्या ही पड़िबा बंदना चलालो
सौंदर्य रत्नाकरी निर्धूताखिल घोर पावन करी प्रत्यक्ष माहेश्वरी प्राय करी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी नानारत्नविचित्र
We just now prayed Goddess Annapurna, the Devi of nutrition and portion. And now I would like to invite Dr. Shanth Kumar Padi sir to introduce our speakers and panelists, and invite Director ma'am and President sir and MS sir, PDA sir as well to the program. Sir, please.
Very good morning to everyone. At the outset, namaste to Goddess Annapurna, and thankful to the Institute leadership, Madam Director Professor Gitanjali Bhattavanam, and President Sir Professor Subrat Acharya, and the administration for giving consent and giving permission to conduct this particular webinar, which is particularly meant for the society at large, focusing on the importance of nutrition, not only in physical health, which people knew since long time. Okay. So today's the program will focus on not only the importance of nutrition in physical health, which people know from the long time, but we have introduced, as Dr. Sri mentioned, the importance of nutrition in the mental health. And not only the kind of the mental health per se, but also the starting from the infant mental health, the children mental health, to adolescent mental health, and prevention of mental health and common mental disorder, and also the severe mental illness. So that would be the thrust of the program. So before talking about this program, it is my customary duty and my humble obligation to welcome at the very outset the president of our institute, Professor Subrat Acharya. So whatever I say, it will be very minimum to mention about Professor Subrat Acharya. Professor Acharya is having a kind of not only sir is a astute clinician, but also a very prolific researcher, and also the recipient of the Padma Shri Award, and is a very eminent gastroenterologist at a national level and at an international level. And sir has stimulated each one of us in academia, and also is one of us as an individual human being by always by his tremendous kind of characteristics of humility, modesty, and forgiveness, and on many more aspects. And sir is occupying currently not only the president in Bhubaneswar, but also many more prestigious positions in the country as well as India. So, I mean, with this brief introduction, on behalf of the Department of Psychiatry, on behalf of the program, on behalf of the NCW and everybody, a warm welcome to you, sir, Professor Subrat Acharya. Madam Mrs. Rekha Sharma, currently working as the chairman of National Commission for Women, has more than 2-3 decades of experience of working with the women of various ages, across the lifespan, focusing on the various issues of the women, not only the health, but also the human rights issues and the other social issues. And Madam is not only a kind of social activist and also working for the cause of the women, but also she is involved in the kind of supporting the human rights causes of the women in particular. So with this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Rekha Sharma, the chairman NCW, in absentia. So Madam could not join because of some unavoidable circumstances in the last moment. However, she has conveyed her message, best wishes for the success of the webinar, as well as also the people of the Odisha and Eastern region to get benefited from this particular webinar. And Professor Gitanjali Bhattavanamane, our director, the leadership and a person.
I think Dr. Padi, just skip it because Professor Acharya is in the middle of seeing patients. So we will just request him to give his talk and we'll move on.
Yes, ma'am. So welcome, Madam Director Gitanjali Bhattavanamane. With this, I will request our President, sir, to please grace the occasion. Sir, please.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before I start, Dr. Padi, you are not audible at all. But anyway, I think there has to be improvement in your speaker system. So I just guessed what you are speaking. Very, very good morning, respected ma'am, our director, sir, Dr. Padi, and the whole organizing team of this conference or symposium on nutrition, particularly for women. It's very timely, and I must congratulate all of you to have such nutrition more repeated. Without fail, nutrition is a very advanced area of human health as well as disease. And nutrition and intervention in various type of chronic disease actually turning around the table for patients in general. Besides requirement of nutrition for growth, right, maintenance, right, of your system, as well as providing definite energy. Today, besides the undernutrition, that is a malnutrition or overnutrition is another big problem. And people don't understand about overnutrition, and that is creating all non-communicable diseases. We know. Today we know, I know myself, I belong to the discipline, 30% of your population, every third population on the street has a fatty liver disease indicating insulin resistance. And we also know insulin resistance and high insulin level in your body is a basic driver of hypertension, coronary disease, stroke, atherosclerosis, right, dyslipidemia, particularly in those who are genetically predisposed to develop such problems. So I think it's very important to discuss also the part of nutrition. We understand in our state, particularly women's and particularly people in the rural area, underprivileged people during particularly pregnancy are undernutrited, influencing the whole process of neonatal growth, delivery, and other problems around the confinement and the delivery. That is one part. But the other part I see is overnutrition and providing people the awareness about right kind of nutrition, right kind of physical activity, how to balance them to prevent this preventable diseases, which is now replacing your infectious disease and has caused the major cause of mortality all over. So nutrition not only for just symposium. And if you have started nutrition, you should inbuild nutrition for care, patient care, right? And that is what will be the meaningful meeting or webinar or a symposium to further add and to progress. But thank you very much. And I wish you all this success. I hope you will gain encouragement and enthusiasm from whole administration to look after nutrition, which is very important. And since you belong to Department of Psychiatry, one of the major cause of overweight is depression. You know that, right? One of the major problems of many organic disease following depression is overeating, right? So you know it very well. So it's very important to build in component of nutrition into, because depression is probably the most common psychiatric mental health abnormality we see today. And that's a very important cause of overeating. So it's up to you actually to balance mental health with nutrition and optimal growth and optimal homeostasis of health system. Thank you very much. Best wishes.
And thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening and kind words and blessing us. Thank you very much, sir. May I now request our director, Madam Professor Gitanjali, to deliver her address, Madam, please.
Thank you. Our respected President, Professor Acharya, Dr. Padi and his team, all the participants as well as the resource persons. Good morning, and it is a great bright morning for all of us here because we are here discussing an important aspect of human health. And I am glad that the Department of Psychiatry has come forward to organize this. My only thought is that there are very few people who are actually online listening to this. I hope as the day proceeds, there will be more people, more enthusiasm, so that whatever the talks are, and as I can see, Dr. Padi and his team have collected people from across the board with various aspects of this very important aspect of nutrition to be discussed today. So I think people are looking forward to a great many different viewpoints, looking at nutrition in various areas, and also looking at the mental health aspect. So I congratulate the team and thank you very much for inviting me. I'm sorry, like Professor Acharya, who has to see patients, I have another meeting which I started at 10:15. So I'm sorry I have to leave. Thank you very much for inviting me and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam, for placing the occasion and motivating words. Now I welcome our medical superintendent, Professor Sachidanand Mahante, to say a few words and grace the occasion before proceeding to the talk per se. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. President AIMS, Professor Acharya, of course, he has already delivered his speech. Madam Director, she has also completed her term of giving speech. And the entire team of Psychiatry Department, Madam Rekha of NCW, and others, the participants. So, it's an interesting topic, definitely. Role of nutrition in physical and mental health of women. If I remember the other day, maybe a few days before, maybe around 1 year or so, I told that, see, all are insane in this world unless and until the contrary is proved. So, and the nutrition is the sole reason, I would say it's not exactly the sole reason, but it is one of the major reasons of development of all forms of physical and mental disease. And that too, especially the women's. As you know, in India, that too Odisha is a poor state, poor country and poor state where most of the diseases, or I would say, are coming or are developing because of lack of nutrition. And so it's a very good topic. Good speakers has been selected. I hope this symposia of around 2-3 hours, maybe it's up to 2 o'clock, isn't it? From 11 to 2. So the 2 hours journey will be of much help, not only to the participants and the listeners, but also across the people, those who are present online. I hope all success for this. I would love to hear, but because of engagements, I may not be actively present, but I'll be listening to all your the presentations. So my good wishes, all the best to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the wonderful, encouraging words by you.